The YIHUA 948DB plus II Soldering Kit features a rapid heating soldering tip that can reach 660 degrees Fahrenheit in just 5 seconds, ensuring quick and efficient soldering tasks. This versatile soldering station allows you to adjust the temperature within a range of 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, with a PID program to maintain temperature stability. The compact design of the main unit, measuring approximately 4.7 by 3.7 by 1.7 inches, ensures it occupies minimal space while delivering powerful performance. It includes convenient features such as Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion, sleep mode to extend the solder iron's lifespan, automatic shutdown for safety, 3 preset channels for quick temperature changes, and temperature calibration for accuracy. The innovative tip-over heating element design allows for quick and easy tip changes, placing the temperature sensor closer to the tip for more accurate temperature feedback. Choosing YIHUA provides peace of mind with a 12-month manufacturer technical coverage and 24/7 professional assistance available on Amazon.